Hello everyone. Today I am going to unbox this television that I have recently bought. This is the Toshiba C450ME series 4K Ultra HD QLED television. It supports both Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, and it is powered by a Rexa engine processor, that is Toshiba's own processor. It also supports MEMC at 120Hz for better viewing of sports events. When we open the box, we can see the table stands. There are two table stands provided. There is no wall mount provided. I bought this from Amazon at a discounted price of 27,000 during the Republic Day sale. It actually has 3 HDMI ports. There are also USB ports and Ethernet ports. This television is 43-inch television. Apart from all the ports I have mentioned, it also has a power port, a cable port, a VGA port, and also there is a 3.5mm jack port for connecting to an external speaker. Toshiba is a #1 Japanese electronics brand. They have been manufacturing television for years now. Let's take this television out of the box and see it ourselves. It's not a Google TV, it is supported by Toshiba's own Vida operating system. Like many of the modern television, this has a bezel-less design. This feels more premium without bezels. And it has a 24-watt speaker that's situated in the bottom. And this is a small television. It supports almost all the OTT apps available in India today. Let's unbox the television and set this television on my table with these table stands. Now let's switch on the television. I have set the television on the table with the table stands. Now we can see the Toshiba logo coming first thing as in the television when it's switched on. We have a Bluetooth remote controller with so many buttons for the controlling of the television. So I'll be connecting this television to the Wi-Fi and setting it up now. Thanks for watching my video.